Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. My name is Stephanie. I film videos all the way from Cameroon. So in today's video, I want to show you guys something very exciting and special, which is this beautiful house behind me. This is our house, and I'm going to take you guys along. I'll show you this apartment, and then I'll take you to the other apartment. So please make sure you subscribe, share our videos with your friends and family. The last time I did a video of the roofing, where we roof the house. So if you have not seen that video, I'm going to link it down in the description box and also in the comment section so that you can check the video out. And I'm equally going to link this other video as well in the comment section of the other video so that you can also check out the house tour. So please subscribe. And let me just say this: if you are in the spirit of building your own house, or you want to build your own house, I will say it is not very difficult. It's not that too expensive. You can always start small. What is more expensive is the finishing and all that, but you just have to start. You don't have to say, no, let me wait until when I have a lot of money with me, because you will never have a lot of money. So always start with what you have, get a piece of land, and then start doing something. So behind me, I have my people here. I have my husband and I have my beautiful daughter. So they are sitting on the door. This is the first one. This one is outside of the gate. This is outside of the gate. So I'm going to show you guys. And this is not actually our own apartment where we live. Our own is inside the gate. If you want to see a full tour of our apartment, please comment down below. I'll do a full tour of our own apartment. Our own apartment where we live is 3 rooms. If you have not seen that video where I talked about it, I will link it. You go and watch it. Our own apartment is 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets, 1 washing room where we keep our washing machine, and then we have the parlor, we have the kitchen, we have the dining. We have it's so big. So this section out here where I'm showing you, this is meant for our tenants. This one is for our tenants, and then the other one as well is equally for our tenants. So I'm just going to take you guys around, do a tour, and then show you what it looks like real estate. So this other apartment, this is the door. Please guys, I'm really sorry that it looks so dirty, this section in particular. I will show you a video of the front stage of our house. They are equally doing another construction work there, so they are using this particular one to pack some materials inside. Let me So I've opened the door. So when you open the door, this is how you walk in. This is the living room. So you walk in this way, you have the kitchen, and then this way you have the toilet and then the room. So this is the living room. You can see, you guys, they have all this cement here. They are using it to walk in front. You have the living room here. This is a living room. This is the ceiling we use. So it's an empty house, so I don't think I have much to show you guys here. So this is basically the living room. So that's my husband there. And then here, I think you guys, the lighting here is bad. We have the kitchen. Now, this kitchen, this is just the way the kitchen is. We were supposed to build a cabinet here, but something happened. So I will explain that maybe later. And then we have the kitchen sink here. So this is perfect. The tap is not flowing. They have locked the tap. So this is the kitchen. We have the kitchen. From the kitchen, this other direction, you walk in here. This is a toilet. This is a toilet. We have a shower here. So you just take your bath here and you take your shower here. Now this is you walk in. This is a room. You see, this is a room. We painted it pink and blue. So this is just a room. This is a room. Then we have this small space here. We wanted to put something like a wardrobe, but we said no, let's just leave it so that in case somebody enters here, the person will be able to figure out what to do. And you guys, the tiles we use in this house is very much expensive than the one we use in our own site, because when we were building our own site, we didn't really have enough cash. So, and the doors we use here, they are normal. They are supposed to come and work on these doors and equally paint the doors. That's why I don't really want to show you guys the doors. So this is all about this one, the kitchen here. the parlor here, the room here, and the toilet. So this is perfect for somebody who is just maybe newly married or just young couples start life here. Let me take you to the other side. Since we have water in our house, we decided to put this one outside. So this is outside of the house. Admin, this other studio is inside the gate. So let me open the gate. The gate is locked. So this is the door. Gosh, this is the frontage of this one. So let me open the door. You open, you see. So this is a living room. You step into the living room. Yeah, imagine a YouTuber takes this one like, hello guys, good morning, because the lighting in this section is perfect, and this one is inside the gate, so the lighting here is perfect. When I say perfect, I mean perfect. Like maybe this weekend, if nobody takes the house this weekend, I'll have to come and film some sit down videos here on this window, because this section has a lot of light. So this is the living room. You guys, can you see the tiles? The tiles are perfect. The tiles. So this section here, the person can, this one will pass a cable line. So you guys, this section, this side is very, very beautiful. Yeah. So here you have the kitchen as well. Like I said, we have to build a cabinet here, but maybe not now. Not now. So the kitchen is just very super small. You know, small kitchen, good kitchen. So that's the kitchen. From there you move straight. Okay, story for another day. You guys see that thing behind there? They are supposed to come and put some tiles there. They're still pending. So you see, they'll build today, another person will come and do this correction, another one will come and do this correction. So we have learned our lesson. You see, you guys. So that's the toilet section, and then this is a room. Now with this other room here, the person will have a problem with light. But there's this space here for wardrobe, like I said earlier, where the person can use it for light. Hey guys! So this section can always be used for lighting, you see? So you guys, this is the room. The room is, oh, there's light. Okay, I put on the lights. Let me now show you guys. I put on the light. I forgot that the light was on. So that's the light. So you guys. So here we have constant water flow. We have constant water flow. And this is the doors as well. Like I told you guys, these doors, they are to work on the doors. They are normal doors, not imported doors. Okay. So they are going to work on that. So this is the house. So thank you guys for watching. So if you want to see our own house, like I earlier said, if you want to see a house tour of our own house where we actually live, like the living room for now, because our room, the living room for now, if you want to see a living room tour, please let me know in the comment section. Our house is super duper beautiful. Like if I say so, I mean it's beautiful. It's not crowded and all that. There's no drama going on there. It's very, very beautiful and classic, you know. So if you want to see our living room tour, please comment down below. Please like, comment, share, and see you all in our next video. But before you go, let me show you our animals. You guys see our animals? You see, so this is the section of the person. There's a small door here. So these are animals. I just left because my husband has opened that section for them. You see? These are animals. They have their pool that way. A lot of things are going on that way, you know. So like I said, let me close this door. To review that project to you when it's ready. So for now, we have 2 properties on rent. 2 apartments, 2 studios on rent. Can I call it 2 properties or 2 studios? Anyone. So that's that for today.